Hold it. There. Okay. Dami nag-aabang. We're late. Sorry. Hold it. Ayan muna. Ayan. Hi. Hello. Yan. Beautiful wall art. Yun. Wait.
This one. Actually, this one
There. Howdy, howdy. Yun. Hello. Oh, we have a guest. We're here.
Live na to.
Cheers. Yan. Maraming muna. Oy, dami naman. 74 na kagad.
Bilis ah.
Tree house in the house. Cheers. Hello sa mga taga Cavite.
Sponsor.
Sino tayo? Bawal alak. Yan, okay. Alright. Sige, it's about time. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to PVM Periscope episode 7. And we are now visiting this really beautiful and nice studio. This just reeks of creativity, no? We have members from Treehouse Story. Okay, and please introduce yourselves, gentlemen.
Hi, I'm Alessi Almorio.
I'm Patrick Benitez.
And we have a third member. You have any other people over here? Okay, we have the ladies. The ladies should always make a cameo.
Ito sa gitna.
Hello. Hello.
Okay.
Alvin.
And you're together, right? You're together.
No.
No. That's a different person. She was there was short hair. Sorry. Alvin, of course.
Hello.
Ayun. Akala nila mga babae ang mga shooters ng Treehouse. Hindi. Mukha bang babae ito? Mukha. Ayan. Okay. Tsaka hindi Treehouse. Okay? Treehouse. Puno, hindi tatlo. Okay? So, that's the big difference. All right. They are one of your favorite teams. Sherard, thank you for chiming in. No, Treehouse. The very different thing about today's episode or broadcast is that I've known these guys for a couple of years already, but there's very little things that I know about them, how they started, their breaks, and the path that they took. Sobrang konti lang talaga yung alam ko about it, about them as a company. Although I know basic din yung pagkakakilala ko sila as person. So, tonight, we will be discovering them. Sabay-sabay tayo, mag-discover, no? So, we have Pat, Hani, okay, Hani, and then Alice, and then we have Alvin. Okay. Pat, how long ganon nakatagal ang Treehouse Story?
Treehouse, we're on our 4th year.
Wow, okay, fourth year. Tell me about how you guys started.
We started late 2010 na galing kami advertising before. So nakita namin habang nasa advertising kami na puro OT, sobrang burnout, nakita namin yung evolution ng wedding videos nun. Of course, Jason Magbano, Maya at Bob Nicolas. Ang naalala ko, ang first ko na nakita na sobrang parang yun yung turning point yung wedding na all 70.
Correct.
Collaboration.
Collab.
So, parang nagulat ako na SLR yun na kasi nung gumraduate kami, parang nag-give up na namin yung dreams na, yung passion namin sa video kasi ang mahal ng VX2000 na ganun yung quality, sobrang limited yung magagawa mo. Tapos, nasa 120,000. So, nung lumabas yung 550D, parang entry-level SLR na
may video.
Na hindi nagkakalayo sa 7D. So, yun, tinry namin. Tapos, from there, kuha kami ng lens, 51.8 yung plastic. Then from there, tawag dito, sa network namin, hanap kami ng client. So, mga kakilala, kaibigan, kamag-anak.
Ito, mga libre muna.
Yun yung KKK. Doon ka magsa-start. So, ito halos mga libre, mga ano lang, at cost lang.
Okay.
Kasi 50D lang yung camera mo eh. So, slider, hiram ka pa, tripod, ganun.
Guys, I'll make that a point, no? These guys started with 550. I mean, that's really the most basic camera you can probably have at that time, no? And it did not become a hindrance to them. Anong batch kayo graduate sa college?
2008.
2008 sa
Saan to?
CSB.
CSB, major in?
Multimedia Arts.
Okay, St. Benilde Multimedia Arts. 2008. Saan kayong ahensya?
Ako sa Logica, then freelance sa Leo Burnett, and talon-talon na.
So, iba-iba?
Iba-iba.
Kayo?
Iba-iba.
Lahat kayo nag-corporate muna?
Corporate first.
Okay. Creatives?
Creatives.
Okay.
Multimedia artist.
And then, what? All of a sudden, you know what? Pare, I'm sick of my job right now. What's your plan?
Actually, nung nag-start yun, parang napanood namin yung videos nyo, nila Mayan. Sabi namin, ba't di natin gawin to? But kaya naman siguro natin to. May experience naman tayo. May isa nga lang tayong camera.
Okay.
Tapos,
Yung dream ng filmmaking, no? Na nabubuo kapag college ka. You want to create something and not sell soap.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, sige. Yun, may isang camera lang.
May isang camera. Then, sabi namin, kaya natin gawin to. Kaya natin bumuo. Sabi na, tapos nung nakakuha kami ng client, nung nag-shoot kami, hindi pala ganun kadali. Akala lang madali.
Okay.
Sobrang support.
So medyo sobering yung fact na yun. Okay.
Mga Jason Magbano shots, gagayahin namin, o slider dito, sa aisle, gano'n.
Hindi pala ganun kadali.
Nung actual wedding day, ngarag kami. Sunod-sunod yung mga nangyayari, sobrang overwhelming. So, panic lahat hanggang ang gulo ng shots.
It wasn't as easy as you thought.
Akala namin, since marunong na kami mag-handle ng camera, na naggagawa kami ng corporate videos, parang sisiyo na yung weddings. Na-realize namin, nung first time namin mag-weddings, grabe halimaw yung wedding. So, hindi siya controlled environment. So, iba yung degree of difficulty. So, yun. Parang natutunan namin na sobrang swerte na dapat may formal training ka or parang alamin mo yung structure muna nung gusto mong i-cover.
That's why I suppose in the lectures that I do, especially for students, I make it a point to say na the wedding videography is not easy, you know? Hindi siya madali. It's not to be taken lightly and taken for granted. Not because we don't do big budget films or advertising or independent filmmaker or music videos. It's that it's easy na, no? So mahirap pala. Buti na lang kaibigan niyo yung mga pinagshootan niyo nung una.
Buti na lang kaibigan.
Kaibigan niyo pa rin ba sila?
Kaibigan pa rin naman.
Okay.
Natuwa naman sila.
So there's a certain sense of pride, no? When you sabay-sabay ba kayo nag-resign?
Hindi eh.
Office mates kami before.
Sino unang nag-resign?
Ako.
Pero kaayaw mo na yung trabaho mo na.
Sobrang ayaw ko ng trabaho. Nag-freelance muna ako, nag-production house ako, pumasok ako, nag-editor, shooter. Then, after a while, sabi namin, nung si Patrick na, sige, mag-resign ka na rin nung dumami na yung clients eh. So, nag-resign na rin siya.
Actually, nag-resign ako ng, hindi pa sure.
Okay.
Sure. For na bookings, tapos lahat kapag-anak or
Okay.
kaibigan.
Okay.
So, parang bahala na.
Risk yan, no?
Risk na, sobrang risk.
Are all of you are single right now?
Single.
Yeah. No, not yet married, right?
Not yet married.
Okay. It makes it easier because wala ka anak eh. Wala ka, just a little bit, no? O parang yung risk mo to yourself pa lang.
Hindi ka pa humingi sa magulang.
Gastos sa gears.
What was your first investment?
Yung unang bilhin natin yung slider. Bumili kami yung slider na hindi pa namin alam kung anong mangyayari. Kasi parang DIY siya. Bumili kami ng truck. Nakita ko lang yung glide truck. Tapos naghanap ako ng truck. na may nakita ko sa internet, sa
Aha.
Alibaba yata yun, parang
Okay.
ginagawa na sa industrial.
Okay.
Tapos, in-order namin sa...
Tsaka yung silicone.
Silicone.
Yung silicone bearing, no?
yan,
Silicone bearing.
So, yun yung unang binili namin. Nasa mga 6,000 lang yata yun. Wala kaming budget.
Okay.
Then,
Big deal yun, di ba?
Oo,
It's big.
deal.
6,000 is 6,000.
Tapos, nung nakuha namin yun, pinang-shoot namin dun sa unang shoot namin, which is Tinghon.
Aha.
Binigyan kami ng 5,000 pesos. Tapos yung 5,000 na yun, pinang-rent namin ng glide cam and tripod yata yan. Parang gano'n.
Gusto ko ma-clarify, no? 5,000 pesos for the whole event to shoot the Tinghon.
Tingnan mo,
To
yun
shoot
yung
the
first
Tinghon.
ever shoot namin. Kumbaga nakabook na kami ng weddings, pero for next year pa.
Okay,
kailangan
okay,
namin
okay.
yung now. Kailangan
Okay.
namin. So, Tinghon yung pumasok. So, ang unang budget is hiningi namin 10,000 kasi may 550 di kami. Tapos may 70 yung friend namin. Wala kaming tripod, wala kaming slider.
Kahit ano.
So, sige 10,000 pang rent namin ng tripod, ng slider.
Pati tripod, wala.
Wala.
Okay, okay.
So, ang nangyari, so nag-rent kami, hindi, 10,000 since natawaran, 5,000 na lang. Wala kami mapakitang portfolio eh. So, 5,000. Sige, game. Tatlo kami nun eh, nagsa-start. So, rent kami ng slider na maalog, yung glide cam na...
Glide cam na hindi namin alam gamitin.
Oo.
So nag-grad ka pero parang, oh, this looks cool. Let's try to do it.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Kumbaga, nag-jump in kami na hindi namin alam ano yung glide cam. Nakita lang namin sa internet, pero hindi namin alam even mag-balance.
Aha.
So, hindi nakabalance. So, yung slider maalog.
Basta mabigat yung ilalim, pwede na gamitin. Parang gano'n.
Wala pang warp stabilize nun.
Wala pa.
So, yun yung natuloy yun. So, yun yung after nung Tinghon, uwi agad kami sa bahay nila Alessi, then i-edit
I-edit
kami.
namin.
So, ina-edit namin sa Premiere na MacBook
Yung MacBook na black.
na
Windows or ano na yun? Mac OS pa.
Mac OS.
Mac OS.
ilumang MacBook.
Yung
So,
yung unang first time bumalik ng Premiere sa Macintosh.
Sa Mac, ngayon.
No, dahil nawala siya eh.
Mm.
First camera na binili.
first camera. Sa akin yung 550.
Tapos, after a while, nung medyo kumita na, yung second wedding yata yun, or first wedding, bumili ng isa pang 60D.
60D. 60D.
60D.
Budget talaga ha?
Budget talaga. Kasi walang kapera-pera eh. Tapos binili pa namin yun sa mga online stores para makatipid.
Yung walang warranty.
Gray market.
Gray market, makakasave ka ng mga 2,000.
Mga ganun.
ganyan.
Wala ka talagang pera eh. Tapos yun, utang-utang. Tapos, ayun.
Ay, isa pa yung
Kanino kayo umutang? Magulang, kaibigan?
yung sinweldo namin nung nag-resign kami.
May separation pay ka?
Separation pay.
Yun, hanggang maubos na. Tapos, ang unang investment natin na naghati-hati tayong tatlo is yung crane.
Crane.
Okay.
Yun, before, pangarap namin makagamit ng slider. So, natubad na, maalog nga lang. So, crane yung next namin na pangarap. So, may nag-post sa Pinoy Video Maker na forums na 9,000 lang.
Forums pa yun, wala pa yung Facebook.
Wow, tagal na nun. Okay, that's good. PHBB.
Parang, 9,000 lang, crane, 12 feet, ganun. So, excited kami. Ambag-ambag kami.
Alvin, magsalita ka daw. Yan.
So, nag-ambag kami.
Ambag kayo?
Pera, abono kami. Parang yun yung first na labas talaga namin eh. Kasi, before, pinapaikot lang namin yung pinayad. Hindi kami sisweldo for 1 year yun.
Okay.
Pambili lang ng gamit.
This is all a revelation for me because all the while I thought that, honestly, I thought Treehouse were a bunch of rich kids.
No.
That's knowing nothing and getting to like meet you several times already, but we never talked about how you started. I thought, Treehouse were a bunch of rich kids. Ayun. And it's a revelation, and and not naman great to hear that, but it's nice to hear the truth that people or an established company like Treehouse right now is started out really with really humble beginnings. Hani, kailan ka nag-resign?
Nung medyo steady na yung bookings, mga 4 to 6 a month na siya, pinag-resign na rin ako.
What do you do in the company?
I edit and I shoot.
I see. You're always in the shoots.
Yes.
Ah.
Except pag prenup, wala ako. Kasi kaya nila ng prawn.
Okay.
Nipis ko.
Buhat-buhat, mga ganyan.
Siya yung namin, offline editor sa wedding. So, nag-shoot kami the whole morning. Siya yung nag-edit nun. Latag agad, edit agad. mix ng songs. So, ganun yung workflow namin. Pagdating,
Offline siya?
Offline.
Sinong final, ano nun?
Palitan kami.
Okay,
Alternate
okay.
kami every wedding. So, sa reception kami magsa-start mag-edit.
Correct.
So, para hindi ma-burn out, since advantage namin, team kami, dalawa kami. So,
At least nag-iiba-iba.
Hani, nasisigawan ka ba? I mean, nasisigawan ka ba? Parang, ano ba yan? Ba't ganyan? Nasa yung shot na yun. Ganoon.
More reprimand ako, pero hindi naman
Okay,
yung sigaw
okay.
talaga.
so kasi barkada kami. So,
Ah.
started out na CSB pa lang barkada na.
Projects.
You kept in touch, no?
So,
Um, kailan nyo na-realize na, oy, medyo okay na.
medyo okay na.
Parang medyo nagiging stable na. Ganon.
After a year pa nung nag-start kami, parang nung unang year, sobrang once a month, dun lang may shoot. Tapos after a year, medyo nagiging 4 na, nagiging 6 na per month. So parang doon namin naramdaman na pwede na kami sumweldo.
Okay.
Kasi tumutuloy-tuloy na May may budget na per month, may pambayad namin sa tao. So, siguro parang gano'n. Doon na naging stable.
Ano ang disadvantage kapag magbabarkada ang kayong negosyante, kayong magkakasama sa team? What's a disadvantage?
Disadvantage. Kailangan mo iwala yung friendship sa sa work. So yun, nakapag-adjust na kami doon.
Parang kapag sinabihan ko, parang pangit naman ang edit mo or parang hindi yan ang hinahanap ko na shot, walang sasama loob.
Walang sama na loob. Trabaho lang.
Tatanggapin namin kung reasonable, okay yun, good yun. So yun yung doon naman magsa-start yung growth as a group. So kung marunong ka makinig, tapos mag-iisip ka ng bago, kung medyo baduy, sabi nila baduy, huwag mo na ulitin. Or
Okay.
kung mag-isip ka ng bago.
Parang hindi tayo yan. Ganun.
Yun, so parang sabay-sabay ka rin, sabay-sabay rin kayo dapat umangat.
Everybody has a voice?
Yes,
Meaning,
dapat, oo.
meaning, you know what, let's do this, and let's vote for it. Let's talk about it.
Yes.
Ganun.
Dapat open lang lahat talaga sa isa't isa. Lahat, kung may sama kang loob, sabihin mo. Kung may ayaw pa, sabihin mo.
Anong advantage kapag tropa mo, pagbarkada mo, friends since college, and you're gonna set up a business? What are the advantages of that?
Sa amin dalawa, parang alam ko kung paano siya mag-isip. Alam ko yung ayaw niya, tas yung gusto niya, kung may gusto ako. Tas, syempre, kailangan ko muna pa-approve sa kanya. Parang gano'n. Parang asawa mo. Parang lahat kailangan
Parang you're married to Pat
Oh,
na, no?
yeah.
At this point in time, Pat, pare, pakis nga. Yun.
Yun, parang mutual trust na.
Type mo pala mga moreno, no? So, may trust. Mutual trust, respect. I've been following you guys, and one of the impressive things for me was that, wow, tutok sila sa Rockwell.
Ayun, first.
Parang,
Grabe.
wow, tutok sila sa Rockwell. Pucha, ako may Rockwell ako nakatira. Ba't hindi ako nagtutok doon? Hindi ako nagtutok doon sa South Court na yun. Tell me about the Rockwell experience.
Yun yung first ever, so, parang na-trauma kami doon
Okay?
Kasi yung audience, kumbaga kami lang yung
Napakahirap magsalita sa mall.
first time pa namin, tapos difficult audience pa. Kasi kami yung sa wedding videography, lahat pala doon pumunta for J Tablante, cosplay photography.
Okay. Anime, okay.
So,
Sponsored by Rockwell, no? Rockwell Land. Oh.
so nung nagsasalita kami doon, parang wala, nakatulala lang yung iba. So, ang hirap nung first time.
Yung connection.
Hindi mo
Yung
alam
connection,
kung
no?
maintindihan mo lang yung sinasabi.
Hanggang nakaraos naman, pinresent lang namin yung pinrepair namin hanggang matapos. So, pero after nun, parang nakaka-trauma experience. Ang hirap pala, ang hirap makipag-interact sa audience, ganun. Tapos dumating yung fast forward.
Ilang buwan ang pagitan ng fast forward at saka yung Rockwell na yun? Matagal yun? Matagal ba?
A year yata.
Okay. For people who don't know, yung fast forward, ito ay project nila Jason and John Arquiza, and they gather a bunch of film and video content creators And they gather them in one day at magpe-present sila at magle-lecture sa mga estudyante. Basically, buong araw to, halos tigwa 1.5 hour. Merong mga film director, merong mga colorist, may mga wedding videographer. So yun. So I came to know of Treehouse at Fast Forward 2013.
Yun.
How was the experience of Fast Forward 2013?
Yun, at first nung in-offer ni Jason na magsasalita, parang naisip namin, naalala na naman namin yung experience sa Rockwell.
Dahil traumatic talaga siya. Oh.
Ganong audience ulit, tapos, sige, bahala na. Kasi nung first year nun, pangarap namin mag-fast forward nung batch nila Sir Jason. So, parang the next year, nabigyan kami ng opportunity. So, kahit medyo natakot kami nung sa first experience, tinanggap namin itong fast forward. Tapos yun, ang ganda ng turnout kasi introduction pa lang sa amin na from CSB, ganun. Nagsigawan na yung mga tao. So, doon pa lang na...
Malaki contingent ng CSB.
Naboost na yung confidence eh. So, from there, parang nilaro na lang namin ni Alessi, Colita, and Percent ng Works. Kasi, ang ganda ng support ng audience. So, naisip namin, ganun pala yung ganun pala yung feeling na ma-appreciate ka ng audience.
At yung nakaka-contribute ka, at yung parang may yung natututunan, no?
Tapos same school pa, most of the participants are from Benilde. So, parang nakaka-proud na na-realize na nila na pwedeng profession ng ang wedding videography.
You know, a lot of people are saying that a lot of people got inspired by your talk in Fast Forward. So, congrats, guys. No, that's a lot of inspiration for people who are starting there. Hani, I'd like to ask, no, gusto ko malaman, pag sinabing Treehouse, anong dapat pumapasok sa isip ko? Anong style, anong aesthetic, anong dapat mamumuo sa isip ko? Even though you're a young company, what do you want to inject to people?
Well, you put me on the spot. I wasn't prepared.
You can chime in. You know, It's okay. Yeah. Take a swig. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Please save me.
Guys, I will refuse. No, I refuse to accept the ring shot. No, a ring shot will not define a company. It does not define the company. It's just one of the components. It's not them alone. Hindi ako papayag.
Well, masasabi ko na we are very passionate. What else? The films, not the people. I know very much how you're passionate. Parang, Treehouse tong gumawa na to. Kahit hindi ko makita yung napakaganda yung closing billboard.
Yung trademark na 2 songs.
I see. Okay.
So, parang,
always?
Oh,
That's a whole lot to edit, ha?
Ilang years na namin na nagawa eh. So, minimaintain namin yung 2 songs. Isang upbeat, isang instrumental na mas mabagal na tempo. Yung reason behind is, for us, parang ang hirap makahanap ng isang kanta na may variety ng tempo. Correct. May tawag dito. May high point, tapos may low. So, ang ginagawa namin, mix parate. So, may upbeat, may biglang may pang-vows. So, sa ganun, parang para sa amin, kompleto na yung video. Kasi, napakita mo yung happy moments, napakita mo yung drama, yung vows umangat dahil doon siya sa lowest point nung music. Tapos yun, tapusin mo, start strong then end strong. So, kaya yun yung maintain namin na style na 2 songs, instrumental, tsaka may lyrics.
Okay.
Then,
ilang take daw ang ring shots?
Ring shots, may...
Isang oras. Basta, as long as they nailed it, right? As long as their time, they nailed it. It can be as short as 5 or maybe 1 hour. Do you know this girl named Denise Ang?
Denise Ang.
The fuck?
R-A-E.
Okay. So apparently Denise is feeding us some things here. You're very experimental daw. No, very experimental. According to the AE. No, it's alright. No problem. Come here, Denise. Right. Say hello, Denise.
Hello.
Wait. There. Okay. Hello. There you go, Denise. And Kev says hi.
Ang dami na namin.
Yan. Tell me about that being experimental. That's new for me. Like what do you mean? Like about you as the principal shooters, no? Ano yung nasa isip mo kapag wedding day? Gusto kong gumawa ng ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve dun sa wedding day na yun?
Actually, depende like sa details, sa mga sa ibang stuff. Like kung ano yung gusto mong klase ng edit ang gagawin. Like kung gusto mo ba masaya, mabilis ang cuts, yung hindi mo naman kailangan sumunod sa norm kung ano yung angles mo, yung shots ng iba, pwede mo naman ibahin, parang gano'n. So, doon lang naglalaro yung parang yung imagination namin na ano yung pwede namin gawin sa ganitong bagay. Kung may mga letters ba, may mga flowers, pwede mong ibato yan at paliparin at slow-mo mo. So, ang dami mong pwedeng gawin like sa technology ngayon. So, parang doon na lang naglalaro Paano pa?
Tsaka ano rin, balance of everything.
Correct.
So, ang ginagawa namin, syempre, sa wedding video, candidates talaga yung magdadala. Bridal march, yun yung highest point ng music. Opening ng door parati yun, hindi magmimintes. Dahil walang mas importante dun.
That's right. Okay.
Then, kailangan mo ng accent. So, candidates. So, cut to cut ng tao. Then, yung detail shots, hindi namin nilet go yun Simula na nag-start kami, hindi namin nilet go gown, shoes, bouquet, rings. So, para sa amin kasi, ano siya pahinga sa mata ng audience na nagka-cut-to-cut ka ng tao. So, biglang may pahinga na details, gown na pababa or ring shots na sumakto. So, from there, isa pang pandagdag is yung post-nups.
Okay.
So, balance of ang ginagawa namin edit sa post-nups is parallel to the actual candidates. Minsan, post-nups na paglalakarin ko yung couple na magmi-meet. Then, ang edit namin is parallel to the actual bridal march na nag-intersperse dun sa post-nup. So, yun yung style na, yun yung...
Like, for example, there's the groom looking at the bride.
Oh, yes, yung mga ganun.
And then you intercut parallel cuts yun.
Parallel.
Okay.
Hanggang mag-meet sa aisle, maghahawak ng kamay, sa post-ups, maghahawak ng kamay. Then, minsan yung dance, pag nag-twirl, so ipag-twirl namin sila siguro sa cliff or kung
Correct. You understand, guys, that this is there's a lot of pre-planning involved, no? And
Yes.
them as editors, Hani tells them that, hey, I got this shot, and maybe gawin nyo to sa post na, no? Parang ganon, may konting direction na
yes,
na ganon,
direction.
no?
Hindi yung may planning siya
May planning. Hindi siya random, no?
Hindi siya
Not random at all.
naisip mo lang nung day na. Halimbawa, naisip mo lang na tatakbo sila dyan. So, wala kang pang connect wala kang pang cut. So, yun yung minimaintain namin na hanggat maaari may reason parate.
Guys, I hope you pick that up. That's very important. Very subtle, but very right, no? Instead of a random assembly or a random direction of shooting, after the ceremony, let's say the post-nup nga, no? Try to think of what can they do which will be inserted na mas pasok, no? Dun sa meron ka na footage, no? So, I think that's brilliant. And great advice. So instead of like generic kiss, generic holding hands, generic walking PSSP, try to incorporate or probably direct them, no? How do you direct, Pat?
Actually, parang para hindi masyadong yung style lang hindi makaka-intimidate sa couple kasi we understand na hindi to actors hindi sila sanay na dinedirect. So, ang ginagawa namin, hindi nila alam na nagtitake. So, sige, lakad lang kayo dyan, hawakan mo yung kamay niya. Then, yun, nagtitake na kami nun. So,
At kung kailangan mo ng close-up, okay, let's do this again,
close-up.
ganyan. No?
Yung close-up sa madali na yung mga medium shots yung medyo ma-feel mo kung awkward sila
Okay.
So, yun yung parang ninanakawan namin. Akala nila hindi pa nagtitake, pero
Nagtitake na.
nagtitake na.
Pat, pag ikaw lang, for example, walang photographer, how much time do you need to do post-nup?
Mabilis na kami kasi 3 camera parate rolling at the same time. So, isang lakad lang nila 3 angulo na. So, 5 minutes, matagal na for us.
Okay. May I ask how long the final product is when you deliver to the client?
For SDE?
The long edit, the full edit.
Ang final output is isa yung SDE.
Mhm.
And yung may option sila na excuse me, 15 to 20 minutes or 8 to 10 minutes
Okay.
na parang long version ng SDE pero start to finish summary of the whole event.
Yun ang 8 or yung 15?
Same.
Same.
Okay.
Options lang na mas maikse. Pero hanggang matapos yung highlight ng reception nandun. Unlike sa SDE na hindi may...
Correct.
Then meron kami yung parang full length. Parang full documentation na tatlong cameras.
Clean cuts.
Clean
That's it.
cuts.
Maybe, what's that? An hour and a half? Or
1 to 2 hours.
Okay. The 8 to 10 minutes and the 10 to 15 minutes, is there a price difference when they choose?
Yes, it's
10,000.
10,000.
Okay. Which is easier to do? The shorter or the longer?
The longer, no?
The longer for
Longer.
Honey, editor? Longer, no? Mas madali?
Mas
Kasi-
madali siya pag
because-
laruan eh.
Ang hirap isipin kung paano mo mapapikli ang isang ano.
Sa
No?
8 to 10.
Guys, what do you use now? Alvin, what do you use now? Gear natin ngayon.
Sony, all the way.
Sony all the way.
So,
Sabay.
No more 5Ds?
No more.
No more.
Okay, how long ago na?
Nung lumabas siya, dito sa
Ano lumabas?
kumuha sila,
Late last
oh,
year.
late last year.
A7S.
Late last year. Okay, A7, no? A7S all the way. How many A7s do we have, guys?
We have 3
3 A7S and what else?
FS.
One FS700. Okay, one FS700. Pag nag-2 teams, paano yun?
May nandyan pa yung pasok si 5D.
Oh, yung mga 5D na inaalikabok. Yan, so, yan, nagagamit. Ganyan. A7. What do you like about the, Alvin, what do you like about the 5Ds? The A7S?
Yung yung kaya mo hatakin yung ISO niya. Sobrang okay sa low light.
What's the most comfortable ISO you personally can use na okay pa to?
3.2.
3.2.
Dito malinis.
3.2. Anong sumunod sa 3.2?
4,000.
4,000 medyo iffy na yon.
Yes.
Okay?
Malinis pa rin.
Malinis pa rin.
Pero personally 3.2.
3.
Okay, 3.2. And malinis yan ha, 3.2. Malinis. Okay. Hindi ako mapapaniwala eh. Meron na. Matik na ako makonvince ni Leo. What else? Besides the low light? Are you saying that you don't use lights in the ceremony and the reception?
She, as much as possible, bihira. Huwag na gumamit ng ilaw. Kasi kung ano yung nandun na, yung natural light, mas maganda gamitin eh. Kung kaya naman ng camera mo, ba't hindi yun? Kasi pag nag-ilaw ka, mas mahihirapan ka pa pantayin yung shadows, yung mga ganyan. So,
Tsaka minsan sa location din ng reception.
Mm.
Diba medyo masikip, so risk din para sa mga guest.
Okay, magsasabi ako ng mga churches, sabihin niyo kung nag-ilaw pa kayo or hindi. Magallanes,
hindi
Yeah.
na.
Don Bosco,
Oh,
Medyo
Dilaw doon.
Dilaw.
anong ilaw nyo?
yung bowling na white,
Okay, isa, dalawa o tatlo?
dalawa.
Pantay lang.
Mm.
No?
Yung kabila.
San Antonio, Santuario San Antonio.
Nag-ilaw.
Minsan.
Pag sa
Minsan.
entrance,
maliwanag
minsan
na
pag
doon.
ano.
Pag maliwanag.
Pag maliwanag.
Pero madilaw doon, no?
Madilaw.
San Agustin,
Ilaw.
Ilaw.
Manila Cathedral,
Ilaw.
Ilaw.
Caleruega, afternoon.
No.
Pag-
Hindi na.
Caleruega?
Hindi na.
Hindi na?
Hindi na.
Okay. Nakakabilib ah. Ballroom, well-lit, may mga par lights, sinet-up ni sensitivity, may ilaw pa, wala na.
Depende. Pag pink yung ilaw.
Para lang mag-wash ng mas
Para umayos yung ilaw.
color balance.
Pero parating naka-standby yun. Pero minsan hindi nagagamit.
Mahira.
San Sebastian Church, tingin ko may ilaw yan. Madilim. Madilim masyado ang San Sebastian.
For us, nag-ilaw lang kami para malabanan yung dilaw. Pero kahit walang ilaw, kaya ng camera.
Kaya sa kaya, para lang hindi ka na magko-correct.
Oo,
Para
dilaw
hindi
lang.
magko-correct.
Oo.
Yung bowling, yung yung bowling lights nila, no? Is this the one that if you turn off
5 minutes.
5 minutes that's pretty old, no?
You have to-
It's pretty old. Okay.
Pero puti yung bato niya.
Okay guys, kung mag-upgrade kayo ng ilaw, anong bibili nyo?
LEDs, most likely.
Yung mga square?
battery
Yung mga square?
Oo, the battery.
If
Para
the battery.
kahit mga prenup out of town, walang outlet, magagamit.
And then, how big are these?
The big ones, yung mga ganyan.
What's the battery?
Meron sila like yung for the Panasonic batteries.
Oh, okay.
Then, pwede mo siya ibahin to a Sony battery. Kasi medyo marami naman kami nun. So, yun yung plano.
Mga December.
Mga ganun siguro.
Para, ano na, no? Kino Flow daw, pero masyado mahal ang Kino Flow para sa wedding.
Flow, ginagamit namin for corporate events.
Do you have Kinos of your own?
No, we rent it out.
We rent it out. Okay. Guys, if you want to get Kino Flows, you can get from 24K from Leti. I got mine from there. They're cheap. They're original Kino Flow bulbs, but the housing is in China. Housing made in China. So, mura siya if you want to get your own Kino Flow. What are the additional toys that Treehouse has, no? Gimbal. Anong gimbal natin dyan?
We have a movie M5.
Movie M5.
Before may DJI Ronin, yung the big one.
Okay, guys, no. Once and for all, we're gonna settle. You know, what's a better alternative? Or because this is a company which has experienced both the Ronin
And the movie.
Did you get the Ronin M?
No,
Not yet.
Okay, so you got the Ronin kagad.
Oh, yung Ronin na malaki, ginamit namin for about 2 months lang. Kasi sobrang bigat.
2 months Ronin. Okay, disadvantages.
super heavy. Kahit pinaka A7 pa yung nakalagay, magaan yung camera mo. Kahit buhatin mo siya, sobrang bigat pa rin. Then, hindi ka tatagal. Parang mga 5 minutes ka lang nagtatakbo, pagod ka na, kailangan mo na assistant.
Sino nag-operate nun?
Ako.
Okay, medyo na-workout ka talaga.
Medyo lumaki yung
2 months, no? That's parang, it's so soon. And I feel that, parang na-desisyonan niyo na kagad na this is not for us.
Oo. Kasi tirinayin niya rin. Parang, sabi ko, sumasakit na yung likod ko. Hindi ko kaya ito araw-araw. Parang, it's a bad investment for us.
Correct.
So, we have to, kailangan, i-let go na namin.
Okay.
Then, andyan pa namin yung Steadicam. May magagamit pa naman kami.
Pilot tayo? Pilot, okay. Doon sa nagtanong, yung Wolfram, yung Kino Flow 88,000, isang 40s, isang 60s. So, isang maikli, isang mahaba. May C-stand na yon, kompleto na yon. Meron ng ballast, 88,000 yon. Yan. And then, Pat, you said, I'm sure the movie has already out by then.
Yes.
So, was there a sense of regret na parang, bam, we should have gotten the movie the first time around?
Yeah, parang ganun na yung nangyayari. Kasi, imagine mo yung Ronin sa shoot ka ng dance for about 2 minutes. Malakas yung aircon, pero malakas din yung pawis mo. So, may mali na. Tsaka ang sakit sa shoulders eh. So,
Ganong kabigat, ha?
Tsaka, ano siya, maalog. Ginawa na namin lahat ng
Calibration.
ng tuning.
Medyo complicated kasi yung calibration niya. Unlike the movie, na sobrang 5 minutes na ako sa computer, na-calibrate ko na. For yung Ronin, parang mga 1 week, 2 weeks ko pinag-aralan. Sobrang complicated din.
Yung tanong dito, no question, mas madaling i-calibrate yung movie kaysa sa Ronin. What's your experience with the movie M5?
Super happy.
Oo, first time namin mahawak.
Ang dali eh.
Ang
At saka, parang pwede mo nang operate kagad talaga, no?
Kahit sino, kahit girl, sabi shots eh. Kasi magaan din. So, yun. Tsaka sakto, nag-sale siya nung bumili kami.
Sama na nga loob nga din eh.
Parang nasa...
Nag-sale eh.
180.
Ang mura nun.
Pelican case and remote control.
Sa Free Fly?
No, from Singapore.
Mura.
So, kasabay namin sila Leo kumuha.
Yun ba yung pumunta pa kayong Singapore
Yes.
para ano yun?
Tapos wala doon yung
Yung
hindi available yung unit. So, balik siya ng empty-handed.
Oh, okay. So, sayang yung pamasahe.
Hindi naman. Actually,
Bigyan kami
kasi
doon.
naka-order na ako noon, nabayaran ko na. Pagdating ko doon, nabenta ng iba.
Okay.
Tapos, sabi sa akin, sige, para maging maayos tayo, papadala lang namin within the week with a Pelican case and a remote. So, sige, sabi ko, good deal.
Wala ng taxes.
Wala na taxes. Sila na bahala.
Oh, okay.
So, door to door, pinadala nila dito. So, masaya naman kami. At least, nagka-extra pa kami.
What's the name of the company you got it from Singapore?
Expander.
Expander. I think that's very popular, no? I would like it's the B&H of Singapore.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got mine. Me and Bob, we got ours pre-ordered 6 months before it was actually released because the M10 was released first and then the M5 next. We pre-ordered maybe mga 6 months yung delivery, $5,000 then. $5,000 without anything.
Pero sure ka na
It was a lot of thought on my part. Sobra kong pinag-isipan, kailangan ko ba to, but ang feeling namin noon talagang kawawa talaga yung nagpapilot eh.
Oo.
Kawawa yung nagsisteadicam dahil sobrang bigat, mabigat na yung pilot, mabigat pa yung 24-105, mabigat yun eh para sa isang body. So I decided na okay, I guess it's time, kawawa naman din yung ano. I don't do that myself. So pero now I can do a bit of it.
Yeah.
So it's a good investment. Which leads us to the question of you guys experienced the Ronin M.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Pero medyo plan namin kumuha. Pero
Second-
gusto namin mag-try.
Second team.
For second team.
For
Second team,
Kasi
no?
kawawa yung isa, steadicam pa rin eh.
Okay. Tingin ko mabebenta pa yung ano eh. Pilot. Mabebenta pa yun
Hindi,
eh.
gagamitin pa rin namin.
Pangatlo pa rin, no?
Pa rin yun.
Pangatlo.
Safety yun eh, kasi walang ano yun. Pag pumalya yung mga makina,
Tsaka nagagamit mo pa rin siya. Like, kasi
For
for a
defense.
movie, hindi ka naman pwede magpalit ng lenses agad.
Mm.
So kasi kami, we use primes all the way.
Okay, wala kayong zoom lens at all.
May 70 to 100 kami.
Okay.
Pero for glide cam, for steadicam, ginagamit namin either 50mm or 16mm.
Okay.
Parang ganun. So,
16 na
Hindi, 16 to 35.
16 to 35, okay.
So, kasi pero pag iniba mo kasi, syempre mag-iiba rin yung balance.
Correct,
So,
correct.
one balance for each item. So, for a steadicam, gamit ko 50.
Okay.
For a movie, gamit ko yung 16 to 35.
Okay, okay.
So, para mas mabilis lang, nandun mo yung dalawa.
Dala mo pareho.
Dalawa.
Okay. What are the challenges? Ano yung mga napagdaanan nyo na mahirap? You know, after 4 years.
yung pinaka-memorable is yung nangyari sa ano eh,
Backup.
sa hard drive. So, first year pa lang namin noon, or mag-1 year pa lang, meron kaming
May isa kaming hard drive. na
6
backup.
weddings. 6 weddings na sa isang hard drive. Isa lang, wala siyang double backup kasi
Wala kaming pera.
wala pa kaming budget eh for another hard drive eh.
Correct.
Parang mas gusto namin mag-invest sa camera. Pero yun, tinamahan yung hard drive na yun, 1 terabyte.
2 terabyte.
2 terabytes. 6 weddings yung kasama. So sa 6 na yun, may lawyer.
May dalawang lawyer yata doon. Tapos sobrang mga usi na clients. Tapos after nun, parang nasira yung hard drive. Hindi namin alam paano gagawin. So,
Nakatayo lang siya, tapos
nakatayo lang siya. Tapos tumigil. Then, wala
Naka-dock? Dock?
No, yung external. lang.
External
Yung
USB na
USB,
merong
power supply.
enclosure, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yun, after nun, so, paano natin gagawin to? Anong gagawin natin? So, naghanap kami sa sulit.
1 year pa lang yan, no?
1 year
Ano
pa
yan?
lang.
Gut-wrenching and very disheartening.
Parang anong gagawin natin to? Pag nawala yung wedding na to, didemanda tayo, mawalan tayo ng trabaho.
Wala na, end na for
End of-
Treehouse. Di pa nga
Oo.
nagsa-start eh.
Babalik tayo sa corporate, parang gano'n. Ginawa namin, naghanap kami ng sulit. May nakita kami, pinadala namin doon. Dito lang sa may Mandaluyong area. Tapos, anong nangyari? Parang weeks past, wala pa rin feedback sa amin yung gumagawa. Ano ba tayo? Niloloko ba tayo na to?
Sinabihan nyo na yung kliyente nyo, hindi pa?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Parang
Okay.
dinelay namin.
Okay, yung mga kasal na to, kailan nangyari to? Mga anong buwan?
Parang
Actually,
8 months delayed na.
8 months delayed, so parang after 8 months, i-edit pa lang, saka nag-fail.
Yes.
Okay, so ang tagal na nung hintay.
Oo,
Okay.
follow-up na.
Then, ayun, parang weeks past, wala pa rin. So, pinuntahan namin. Sabi niya, hindi daw magagawa. Ganyan. So, kami kabadong-kabado na kami. Tapos may isang nag-recommend sa amin, dun sa may QC. May isang pinadalan kami dun ng hard drive, which works with Seagate naman.
Okay. What was the drive?
Yung hard drive na gamit namin is sa Western Digital.
Okay.
So, parang ang labo naman, basta Seagate pa gagawin. So, ang trinay nila, hindi pa rin nila ma-recover dito. Ang ginawa nila, pinapili kami, either papadala sa States, magbabayad kami ng almost 150,000 pesos.
Okay, 150,000, yes.
dollars. Then parang kabado kami, shit, paano gagawin ba natin ito? May pera ba tayo? Pero
At that time, wala kang 150.
May at least 100.
Pero hirap na hirap.
Na mahirap.
Hirap yun, di ba? Parang
Kung
yun na
ginastos namin to,
1
wala
year
kami
ano na
extra.
yun eh. 1 year ipon na yun.
1 year
Okay,
ipon.
okay.
So, kung gagastusin natin, wala tayong pera. Wala tayong choice. Kasi kailangan natin ibigay sa kliyente. So, yun, pinagawa namin.
Na-exhaust yung funds.
Sobrang namulubi kami, wala kaming pera.
Oh wait, you
August
paid
pa
150.
yun. We
You
paid
paid
150.
Okay,
Tas
good.
August pa
Guys,
yun,
okay.
so walang wedding. Wala kami pera, totally.
Personal account namin, parang 3,000.
Zero na lang, oo. Humihingi na siya sa magulang niya.
Ang hirap niyan. Okay.
Utang namin umiikot lang.
Umutang ako sa girlfriend ko.
Sa isang house kami.
Kayo pa rin?
Kami pa rin.
Okay. Yan ang subok na girlfriend na.
Okay naman.
Nautangan.
Tapos after nun, nag-email sila. Na-recover lahat ng files.
Oh, okay.
Tapos
Na-recover.
nagpadala sila ng hard drive, tapos edit kami agad lahat. Tuloy-tuloy na.
Sa Amerika to, no? Sa Amerika.
States.
Ang na-recover nila 80%. So, may list ng clips na hindi na-recover. Okay lang, kaya na i-let go. Pero, sobrang saya namin nung na-email yun.
Okay.
So, hindi namin inisip yung pera. Ang inisip namin makapag-deliver. Kasi starting pa lang eh. So, parang kailangan mo pa rin, gumagawa ka pa lang ng name eh. Tapos gano'n na agad. So from there, tuto kami, invest sa backups. Tapos di na kami nag-Western Digital, nag-Seagate kami.
Do you think it has to do with the brand?
Actually,
Ang nangyari kasi, kung sabi sa amin, kung nag-Seagate ka, ang magagastos mo 30,000. Kasi ang Seagate nagre-release na per parts.
Oh, okay.
Ang Western Digital, ayaw. So, kung nasira, ipapadala mo, sila yung gagawa. Hindi sila papadala ng needle lang.
So, ang Seagate, kung platter lang, needle lang, circuit board lang,
Pwede daw.
pwede. Okay.
Mag-recover nila.
Okay.
So, yun yung So, na-trauma kami sa Western Digital. Pero hindi ko sure kung...
I mean, it's not conclusive. No, people here are asking. It's not conclusive. That was their experience. I'm sure people here have already failed Seagate drives as well. No. Ano ang natutunan nyo after that experience?
Backup ng files. So, invest ka rin doon. Kumbaga, wag lang nakatuon yung pansin mo sa camera, sa video. Kasi meron pa tayong, may hard drive na kailangan mag-invest. Yung audio natin, gano'n. So, balance rin ng lahat. So, yun.
How many backups do you have now?
We have 2 and another for a client.
Wow. Okay, that's 3 already. How do you give the backup to the client?
We give a hard drive na lang to the client.
On your expense? Okay.
Sinama namin sa package para ang hirap. Before kasi raw yung binibigyan namin unedited. So, ngayon papalitan namin flash drives na lang para yung full length, yung
Pero,
SD, andun na.
The backups, never pa kami nagbura since nung nasira.
Since nag-start kami.
When you give when do you give the raw footage to the client in their hard drive?
On final delivery.
Yung third, yun yung pangatlo.
Yun
Yung pangatlo. To prove a point also, this has also happened to me, of course. A lot of people have already asked me, and that's exactly the same amount. That is exactly the same amount I paid for a single wedding which was lost, and sent it. The files were sent to Canada, to North America. So 150,000. Ganon. Parang nagawa ko na yung ginawa nila. Pinadala ko na kung saan-saan dito.
Mas mura eh.
Mas mura. Magkano lang yun? Baka 10,000, 20,000 kaya pa, no? But honestly, here in the Philippines, walang clean room dito eh. Walang clean room, walang magbubukas ng hard drive na walang particle ng dust na parang yung sa mga commercial ng Intel dati. Sa Amerika lang talaga meron doon. And like what they said, if that's what it takes, and to preserve the name, that's the worst thing that can happen to you, which is mawalan ka ng, ang dami nun, 6.
Tapos may lawyer pa.
Ay, nako. So, guys, no, if there's anything, back up your data again and again for redundancy, and just be safe. Just be safe. Ayan. Sa Las Piñas, meron daw clean room. May access ba tayo dyan? Di ba? Wala na. Meron ba? Okay. Walang gumagamit ng Thunderbolt. Okay. Guys, meron ba tayong mga give us a few tips, no? In shooting. How do you approach let's say the preparation part? The preparation part, Pat.
Preparation. Yun, yung sa amin, pagdating ng room ng bride, syempre approach mo yung client, approach mo yung couple na greet mo, good morning, we're from Treehouse, ganun. We're gonna shoot your wedding, ganun. Tapos, from there, your thing na shoot the details, kanya-kanya na eh. So, ako sa details, si Alessi sa,
Establishing
establishing area.
Sino nagpa-bride?
Bride, ako din.
Palitan din lahat.
Pero kung accessories ka, paano yun? Sabay ba or maaga kayo?
Okay na ako sa accessories.
Shoot na kami ng
Okay.
Full force kami parate, full force sa bride.
Hindi nakakalito sa cutter natin. Three cameras, lahat yan sa bride. Parang pwede mangyari yun. Okay. Okay, go on. Wait, average number of gig per wedding?
In a month?
No, one wedding.
190 to 200.
Not too bad. So ano bang compression? Ilang Mbps ba ang A7S?
Ilan ba? MP4
50?
kasi yung gamit namin eh.
Actually, less siya than a Canon 5D. Sobrang laking difference.
Okay. A VCHD ba to?
MP4.
Full HD 60p all the way kami.
Kung may...
I'm sorry?
Full HD 60p.
60p. Hindi mo, yun yung look mo, 60p.
Hindi, i-edit namin sa 24. So 24 pa rin yung look niya.
Para may option ka to slow it down. Are you saying na sa 60p, maliit pa rin yung file size niya?
Maliit pa rin yung fans.
Okay. That's a good way of shooting, guys. 60p. And therefore, they don't have to decide in camera whether it's going to be 24, no? Parang, lipat ko to. Now, is 60p all the slow motion you need? For most. Like, okay na sa'yo yun.
Usually, pang ano naman eh. Kung gusto mo gawing dramatic yung bridal march, yung sequence nun, isuslow mo hanggang 40% kaya. Then, yung sa, iba pa yung sa FS700.
Okay.
Yung mga pang details lang namin.
For special occasions.
Okay. Pangyanig, no?
Hindi naman kailangan parati gamitin.
May temptation lang na parating gamitin.
Pero ang ganda niya sa sa handheld, ang FS700.
Na slow motion.
No, normal recording. Yung ginamit ko for
24.
Video of Jaja.
Correct? Okay.
FS700 handheld all the way.
Okay.
So, ang ganda ng kulay, ang ganda ng texture.
What's the frame rate for when you shot Jaja Samanyego's video on what's the frame rate that you used?
60p rin all the way.
60p all the way and then edited to the 24p timeline. I find that surprising because for me, medyo mabigat yung FS700. May mga additional rig ka ba na nakakabit or
wala?
Naka-cradle lang. Naka-cradle, no?
Basta dikit sa body mo, parang rig na rin yan eh.
Okay. Now, why did you use that? You were up in the mountains, no? For people who haven't watched Jaja's video, super beautiful. That's a beautiful video. It's a promo video for Jaja, the photographer. Why didn't you use the A7? Since, you're hiking up the mountains, it's light. I mean,
extra angle siya.
Okay. But what's your main?
FS700.
FS700 talaga.
Mas less yung jello kasi totoong pang video talaga.
Okay, correct.
So unlike yung mga SLR na may jello cam siya. So pag hinandheld mo, naglalakad, hindi masyado, parang indie film look siya.
Okay.
Hindi masyadong nag-warp.
Tapos mas better yung A7 sa low light.
Mas better pa rin. Mahina yung FS sa low light.
How do you approach the ceremony?
Pagdating sa ceremony, syempre, unang-una gagawin dyan is setup ng audio. Then, kanya-kanyang pwesto. So,
Naka-metabones lahat?
Metabones.
Wow!
Tinry namin yung Viltrox. Ang madalas mag-fail eh. So, sige, invest na tayo sa mga...
Okay, so 4 na metabones. 4 na metabones. 100,000 na yun.
Medyo...
Sakit nun, no? Yung mga maliliit na bagay na gano'n no? And so, yung at least yung F4 nyo. May F4 ba kayo? May 24-105 ba kayo?
Wala.
Wala. Okay. Suplado to mga prime daw sila eh. So, yung mga 1.2, uno na yun. Uno na.
Sa speed booster.
Wow. It's actually the second group of people, or the third group of people I've encountered I've talked to in this Periscope with the A7S, no? So, gaining traction, no? With people who are using the 5D, no? What's the separation? What's the positioning for a bridal march?
Positioning 4-cam setup ba tayo?
Pag wedding kasi, hindi lang naman kami 3 cameras. We have 4. Pag sa ceremony...
Pang-apat yung FS.
No, may isa pa. Yung
May
5D,
really
camera
kami.
60.
Pang top shot lang yung 5D. Gano'n.
ito yung
Reactions.
trainee namin eh. Lagi namin sinasama. May sinasama kami parating isa for extra angle. Kasi maganda rin magagawa mo sa 3 cameras, mas maganda pa yung magagawa mo sa
Correct. Full coverage, no?
coverage talaga. So, sa ceremony, meron isa sa harap, which is kukunin niya yung door na bubukas. Then, isa sa likod, either mag-glide, mag-crane. Then, isa sa groom, isa lang nakatutok sa groom. Then, yung isa pa, either sa taas, sa...
Or umiikot siya for
umiikot
reactions.
lang for reactions.
Nagkikrane pa kayo hanggang ngayon?
Meron pa rin.
Okay.
May crane pa rin.
For a time, tinanggal namin yung crane pero na-miss na.
Na-miss mo
Kasi
yung crane?
dumating yung aerial.
Parang hindi high enough yung movie for you?
Hindi no.
Who does the aerial?
Ako rin, pero nag-aerial na rin si Pati.
What do you have now?
We have a DJI Phantom 2, Phantom 3, and DJI F550. Tapos meron pang isa na nasira.
Paperweight na lang.
So are you saying you have 3 rigs? Do you have 3
We
working?
had 4, but ngayon sira na yung isa. So,
Why do you need 3 for?
yung isa, yun yung unang-una namin, pero hindi namin binenta. Doon kami nag-start, nag-aerial. Then, nung Phantom 2 dumating, ang laking ganda, so hindi na namin ginamit yung isa. Then, yung Phantom 3 dumating, so...
For 2 teams
For two
din.
teams
Kasi
na.
nag-split na kami.
Do you feel that the Phantom 3 is better than the DJI Inspire?
Actually, it's almost the same. We had a DJI Inspire din. Pero binenta namin.
I really like it.
Ilang months pa lang yun.
Matagal mga 6 months din, or
Hindi.
3 months, ganyan. 2 months, 2 months.
lang
2 months,
binenta.
2 months.
Do you type?
Hindi, lumabas kasi yung Phantom 3, so parehong camera. Ang difference lang, nade-detach yung
Yung camera.
Sa
body. And
Sa body.
yung retractable.
Anong advantage nun? Kung nade-detach?
Actually, wala rin.
Wala. Okay.
So siguro mas maganda yung lipad ng
Mas maganda yung
Inspire.
lipad ng Inspire.
Oo.
Pero,
It's too expensive to use in a wedding.
Oh, so it's much more expensive. What's the
It's
difference?
If a Phantom is like 70,000, the Inspire is 160.
Wow, it's more than twice.
Pero
Yeah. Same
camera.
quality, halos.
So,
ganun.
nasa
Okay.
pilot na rin yung sa
So it doesn't make sense to get the Inspire.
It does. Mas mabilis siya mag-lock and syempre.
Okay, may mga minor,
May
may
arte na
mga
lang talaga.
parang I wouldn't think that's worth
Yes, parang
Yeah.
gano'n.
100. It's like 80,000 difference.
No, for us kasi, for the client, yun nakikita ng mata. Nakikita ng normal na hindi videographer. So, pagtabihin mo yung dalawang camera na times 3 yung difference sa price, walang difference. So, hanggat hindi pa bumababa yung price ng Inspire, dinispose na namin para hindi rin malaki yung damage.
We have a question here, no? Do you post everything in the blog?
As much as possible, we try to. Pero sa dami ng kasal, hindi na lahat mapopost.
So, tsaka yung mga paulit-ulit na locations.
Okay, same church. You have 3 weekends, and it's all
The same.
Makati Siyang,
Mario.
and it's the same room, and it's the same everything, no? Yung name ng couple sa After Effects nyo ba ginagawa?
Yes, nag-After Effects kami. Yun yung natutunan namin nung advertising pa lang. So,
Okay.
motion graphics kasi yung work namin before. So,
Oh, that's so it's easy for you, no? It's easy for you now.
i-incorporate sa weddings. Kaya yung mga artsy na transitions, mga masking.
Tracking and then masking. Okay. So After Effects yun. Always a good thing if you know how to. You know, why not at all? Yan. Guys, we're gonna entertain questions. Anybody have questions, please? Wait. So do you do After Effects for the titles like during the wedding, or is it pre on-site?
Lalo na pag Chinese, may time naman to ano.
Okay. After Effects. Don't forget yung natin, i-raffle natin mamaya. Dala-dala ko na. Ayan. Titles are made on the day, yes. How did they start? Manood ka na ng replay. Yan ang una nating tagal na niya. Kanina pa umaga yan. Sige. Okay, color grading.
Color
Guys.
grading, simple. Levels, nung una.
Levels.
Then, three-way color corrector. Tapos kung medyo maarte, ilalabas mo sa Lumetri. Pwede.
Yung bago, yun nagagamit namin. Mabigat lang siya for
Lumetri, LUTs. LUTs, okay.
So after
What's your preference?
preference?
Ano to, Osiris? LUTs?
Tune ko
Wala.
pa nagagamit eh.
Yung,
Okay.
yung bago nung CC 2015
Okay.
na
Na Lumetri.
kompleto na eh.
May
Lahat
mini
na
ka
pa.
na.
So,
Okay.
yun ginagamit namin. Ang daling gamitin.
Okay, let's ask this, no? Okay, one at a time. Let's talk about pricing. How do you feel? I can't really ask how much they charge, but how do you feel about when it's time to raise your prices? When was the last time you raised your prices?
January. This year.
2014.
Actually, almost every first of the month.
Okay. Oh, first of the month.
First of the year.
First of the
Okay.
year.
Every first of the year, every January nag-rate sila. What's the thought process of kailangan ko nang magtaas, gusto ko na magtaas, dapat na tayo magtaas?
Yung plan kasi namin sa pricing, it depends on what client we want to have. So, kung gusto namin ng higher profile na clients, syempre magtataas kami ng presyo. Medyo ngayon, malapit na makuha yung target market namin. So, doon, kailangan pag-aralan kung ano yung target market mo, kung magkano ba yung pinapasweldo mo sa mga tao. So, lahat, kailangan balance din.
Kasi kailangan mo malaman kung kumikita ka pa eh.
Kung kumikita ka pa, oo. So,
Nagmamahal ng equipment.
kung nagmamahal yung equipments, kung anong kailangan bilhin.
Yung may drone na. So, yun.
So, parang ganun.
The AE? How do you meet with clients? You meet with clients?
Yes, I meet with them too.
Kasama na.
Kasama.
Kasama.
This is the casting couch. This is the casting couch.
Actually, may pole dyan. Hindi
Yeah.
tayo lang yan.
Yeah. Audio guys, audio.
For audio, we use Zoom H4n.
Mhm.
And meron may H1. Kadalasan kasi pag nagmamadali, lalo na, nilalagay namin sa speakers.
Correct.
So, yung Zoom nakakabit sa speakers, then nakalapel na lang para mas yung backup mo, at least hindi naka-wireless agad. So, meron kang sa speakers na. Tapos ngayon, ginagawa namin, naglalapel na rin kami for the bride and groom. Para mas makuha
Even
na.
for the bride?
Sa bride, sa preps pa lang, naglalapel na rin kami.
Really? Oh, okay.
Yung ano kasi yung sa gifts, pag may message, so sasabay yun sa sa photographers, di ba, yung shutter.
Uh-huh.
So,
That's annoying. Photographers are annoying.
Hindi, okay lang yun. Yung
So, with all due respect to Mr. Dino Lara. Okay. Yan. So, parang...
mas malapit.
Okay. I know what you mean, Pat, no? And guys, to stress a point, no? To stress a point is that every little bit, every little thing na pwede mong mapaganda, gagawin mo yun eh. No? Kung hassle yun eh.
Medyo hassle siya.
Kukuha ka ng label, lalagyan mo ng battery, you hook up mo, makikiusap ka dun sa bride. Alam naman natin wala namang kaso sa bride yun eh. Pero hassle lang siya. No? Hassle lang siya. But every little bit, every little thing that will make your production better, you do it.
Yeah.
If you're after a great production quality eh. Di ba? So actually, yung mga hassle na yan, I think it's just masking as laziness. No? Laziness lang yun.
Because the output natin is parang event videography. So, hindi siya gagawa ng sarili niyang storya. Kailangan mong pigain. So, mapipiga mo yun through mga sound bites, mga candid. So, kung pangit na yung audio mo from the start, paano mo...
Wala kang mabubuo. No? Wala kang mabubuo.
May mga experience kami na nakakaiyak yung vows, ang ganda. Pero, ang pangit na audio. So, masisira yung mood eh.
And we learned the hard way, diba? We learned the hard way.
So,
Dental floss daw. Ano ba? People are saying dental floss.
ano dental floss?
Dental floss for the ring shots daw.
Yung sa ring shots, wala siyang shortcut. So, yung mindset mo lang is never settle. Kahit nasimulan mo na maghirap, tapusin mo na. So,
Diba?
yun yung
Kesa
mindset.
mag-give up.
Huwag ka mag-give up. So, may days na one take lang sumakto na. May days na matagal. So, basta yung mindset, wag mo titigilan hanggat na.
Pat, give me two of your best ring shots. Two of your favorite ring shots that you've accomplished.
Yung parang Olympic ring shot na pinagulong namin yung rings.
Okay.
Parang nakaganon ata pareho.
Oo.
So, gumulong yung isang ring. Tapos nag-form siya na parang Olympic logo. So, yung mga shots na chamba na
Saan siya pumasok?
sa
iba pang rings?
gitna eh.
Oh, okay.
Sobrang sakto. Tapos,
Maraming take yun. Of course, nasa flick yun.
Oo, dapat hindi, dapat yung kamay mo, hindi mabigat.
Kasi karamihan chamba eh.
Karamihan chamba, kasi-
Serendipity, no?
Hindi mo naman, kumbaga yung mga shots na yun, hindi mo na kaya ulitin. So,
Ah.
kailangan mo lang taasan yung probability na mapunta sa ganung situation. So, from there, tsagain mo na, walang shortcut, walang magnet na sinasabi nila, walang dayang dental.
Ginto yun eh.
Oo.
Ginto yun. Paano mamamagnet yun? Ang mga market namin, tunay na ginto ang wedding ring. Ayaw ko mga market nyo, ha?
Pagka magnet yun, ewan ko na lang.
Tapos papalitan na lang ng ng pangalan. Para magamit sa next no? Yan, John. Naniniwala sa chamba. Ayan. Magician ba kayo? These guys, perhaps there's a bit of magic in what they do. No? Ayan.
Just
Okay.
never stop, never settle.
Never stop, never settle.
Practice din sila dito.
Guys, what basketball team do you play? Do you follow?
Follow.
There's a lot of NBA memorabilia.
Lakers.
Lakers.
for life.
And may Kobe kami
That
dyan.
sucks, man. Being a Lakers fan. The past 3 years, man. Lakers, no?
Breaking.
Is this heavy?
Hindi naman.
I'm gonna show it. No?
Sige, pull out.
Okay, there you go. Okay, there's a new Kobe video, no? Very nice, very nice. No, very lifelike. Yeah, see the drawing, see the complaints, see the Achilles. Yeah.
May stitches pa.
Yeah, may stitches pa. Warriors, sorry, we have no room for bandwagon fans here. Dino is a bandwagon Warriors Golden State fan. Okay, any more questions, please? Any more questions? No. Pass on the Lakers. Okay. Like tayo. Mamaya mag-raffle tayo. If the wedding is at 3 o'clock, what time does Treehouse arrive?
5 hours before ceremony time.
10. Okay, good. Why do you call yourselves Treehouse? Treehouse story.
Gusto namin dati kasi Jason Magbano ay hindi na pwede.
Yeah! Go Dubs daw. May taga San Francisco na offend siya. I'm really sorry being a Dubs fan since the Walton days. Walton and the Run DMC days. Okay, Treehouse story. I think for me personally, one of the more beautiful, it's a beautiful name. Treehouse story. It just tells so much. So tell me about it.
Nag-start namin isipin na parang gusto namin ibahin na alisin na natin yung studio, alisin na natin yung video dun sa name. So nag-isip kami story. Tapos from there, nung una, nagsimula sa sobrang babaw na reason dahil 3 kami. Ganun. So
Treehouse
parang
agad.
yung 3 na number, pero hanggang makam up namin Treehouse. Kasi parang ang concept niya is childhood story. Ito yung mga dreams na ito yung mga panahon nung bata ka na nagbabahay-bahayan. Ito yung pakiramdam mo limitless, immortal ka. So ganun yung mindset eh. So parang ganun yung inisip namin concept, Treehouse story, parang childhood dream mo na wherein limitless siya. So immortal, ganun. So yun yung
The sky is the limit.
yes.
No? If you notice also Treehouse, no? Parang medyo konyo, di ba? Dahil pang mayaman lang kami, Treehouse, mga ganyan. Hindi siya, parang Treehouse. Very, very, ganda, elite. Elite talaga yung branding. Elite yung branding, And that resonates a lot with people. No, you look at that from the name pa lang, no? Limitless, no? Those are the words that Pat used, no? Limitless and no, that's my words. Again, nabanggit mo when people tell stories, no?
Yung mindset ng bata.
Infinite possibilities, no? Infinite
Limitless,
possibilities, no?
Immortal.
Tama. Kids think they can do everything.
No, nung time na yun hindi ka pwedeng, yung thinking mo na hindi ka pwedeng masaktan, ganun. nung bata ka, masugatan, gano'n.
Kaya mo lumipad.
Yung mindset na gano'n, yun yung parang concept ng treehouse.
Is that the stories you want to tell, or is that the kind of persons you are?
Parang
Actually, it came from an advertising perspective din kasi. So
same din na kasi kumbaga ang treehouse story parang dream nung lalo na nung bride na matutupad na, 'di ba? Si mga bata.
Tama.
Nagpe-pretend siya na
the bride siya, no?
Bride
it's a fruition, no?
Yeah.
It's a fruition.
So parang ganun yung concept na behind treehouse story.
Okay. Right now pala, no? Just to follow up kanina. So you use levels, RGB. Not so much.
Not so much.
Okay, levels. What else?
Three-way color correction.
Three-way. Yung levels, yung lever.
Numbers.
Yung numbers. Levels. So basically contrast yun,
Kasi
no?
mostly for tinting lang, the video.
Tint lang.
Understood.
Not so much color grading.
Tas
Kasi
babawasan
iniwasan
pa
din namin.
Okay. Meron ba kayong plugins besides Lumetri? Magic Bullet? No more?
Kasi isa for
Yung feel?
Hindi ko feel yung...
Ano daw yung pang
Yung mga Magic Bullet
pang-sync.
looks, mga ganun. For syncing the music.
Plural eyes.
Pluralize, that's it. But not for coloring, no?
Not for coloring.
How many editors do you have right now?
We have six ba? Five editors.
Picture style, A7S. Picture
Neutral.
style.
Neutral kami.
Neutral. What, do you dial anything down?
-2. Contrast and... Ano yung isa?
Hindi, pag may combination ng canons, babawasan namin saturation.
Mag-a-adjust kayo sa Canon,
Masyadong matingkad yun.
Pero isa lang naman yung Canon.
Dalawa pag 2 teams na.
So masyadong matingkad ang Canon. Okay.
So, medyo
Really?
soft yung A7S.
Okay. So it's softer. I think the dynamic range is also better on the A7S. Where do you get your A7S?
We buy it parang sa online shop lang din.
Okay. May warranty ba yan?
Wala siyang warranty.
hindi to gray market to.
Market na rin siya. Mahal kasi kayo Sony.
Di bale, alam niyo naman na natutulang kayo doon sa lesson nung nasiraan kayo ng ng data. knock. Filters daw? May filters ba yun, Sarah?
For cameras, no.
ND filters? No more. No filters.
Use ND filters.
Screw on.
Yeah.
Screw on.
The screw on.
Outdoor, I guess.
Pag mga 51.2.
Of course, when you're saying that you're using gray market cameras, no, that precludes Sony from getting you as ambassadors because you don't.
Ay, hindi pala.
Ito namin, nabili namin.
Lahat yan, official Sony warranty. Tinan mo, nakalagay kasi great market, wag. Ang official stand ng Pinoy Videomaker ay tangkilikin natin ang mga official channels. Yan, dahil nagbabayad tayo ng tax. Okay. They start editing reception na. Tama ba?
From preps pa lang, nag-edit.
May cutter na tayo. Si Honey yun. Si Honey. Yan.
Then sa reception, either ako or si Patrick yung papalit. Na mag-edit and mag-finish na.
Kasi mas maganda, alam mo rin yung shoot mo so mabilis lang.
Tapos makukuha mo yung mga hindi niya nakuha na shots.
Sa lahat ng shoot nyo, present kayo lahat.
Yes.
I mean, pag isang wedding lang, lahat kayo.
Yes.
Ano yung circumstance na magsasabi na, Alessi, hindi ako makakapunta?
Actually, may mga ganun. Either pwede ka naman mag-leave or basta ang training namin is kung ako, kaya ko gawin dapat lahat. So, Alvin, kaya din dapat lahat gawin. So, dapat marunong siya mag-shoot, dapat marunong din siya mag-edit. So, lahat kami marunong mag-edit.
Okay.
So, dun pa lang, at least, may backup ka na. O kung nawala yung isa, at least may gagawa pa rin yung isa pa. May sasalo ng gagawa.
Kaya nyo na magtatlo? Hirap.
Hirap pa. Kaya pa.
Dalawa comfortable. Okay, sabi ni Noel, kaibigan natin taga San Francisco or Stockton, no? Paano daw ang in your vaguest term possible? Paano daw ang income? How do you do it? Who swelduhan ba to being
for now, we have regular employees. Meron din kami freelancers. So, medyo marami pa yung freelancers eh. So, yun. Freelance na bayad is
per
project.
Talaga.
Kayo, as owners?
As owners,
Percentage?
may monthly income din kami na parang sinusustain lang namin muna. Ito lang muna yung sweldo natin. Hindi naman muna kailangan tumaas. Kasi marami tayong kailangan gastusin, marami tayong binabayaran. So, yung pera, naiipon muna, tapos nagde-decide kami kung ano yung kailangan namin equipment para bago parati. So, hindi, parang ayaw namin, like, kung may bagong movie, may bagong Phantom, nabibili namin agad.
Okay.
Pero we make sure regular naman yung, syempre, kailangan mo rin mabuhay, di ba? So, may certain amount lang na iiwan for the
Hindi
company.
kami ganun kayaman na
Contingency.
lahat ng pera ng Treehouse, napupunta sa amin.
Tsaka hindi wise.
And that's smart.
Oh.
It's smarter that there's an allocation, no? My next question is, who's gonna get married? The first person to get married?
And wala pa plans.
Wala pa. No plans at all. Oh, well, you know, disregard the people.
May question kanina, how do you balance your work and your
Love life.
Love
Yeah.
life.
Dali yun.
Kasi pag uwi mo
Dali
naman,
lang.
nandiyan naman. So,
Dapat hindi demanding ang girlfriend.
Oh, taga Makati rin kasi.
Pag videographer, dapat maintindihan niya yun.
mag-girlfriend kayo ng doktor para nasa hospital.
Girlfriend sa
Para pwede mong mabaliktad. Wala ka namang time sa akin eh. Wala ka namang time sa akin eh. Yun nga, no? At doktor pa.
Doktor.
Oo, dali naman.
wala ka namang time.
Sino umawak ng pera?
Ako.
Okay. yung mukha na yan. Ako mahawak ng pera. Looks can be deceiving, ha? Yan. Yan. Oh, questions pa guys, bago tayo mag-raffle. Great session, ha? Yung Stockton, mas malapit daw sa Modesto kaysa sa San Francisco. Okay, US shoot.
Wala pa, actually.
Sing Malaysia, di ba meron? Malaysia.
Singapore.
Oh, yung mga walang visa.
Alam mo, itong si Pat, inaya ako yung dati mag-shoot sa Rome. Inaya mag-shoot sa Rome. Hindi lang kami natuloy.
Walang visa.
Oo.
Magkakaroon dapat, Italy na wedding, na-deny.
Oo. Feared.
This year, inayos namin para hindi namin ma-turn down yung mga employees.
Kasi before, parang hindi kami registered, so hindi kami makapag-apply ng visa. So, after parang 1 year, dun pa lang kami nagparehistro.
Okay.
So, dun pa lang naging legal lahat.
Alright.
So,
Sino gumagamit ng Segway?
Segway.
kami lahat.
Laruan lang namin dito.
Saan nyo nabili yun?
Sa Lazada.
Pucha, meron ng Segway sa Lazada?
Meron. 14,000 lang.
Totoong Segway yan?
Oh,
Hindi, China branded. China branded.
Pero, so far, okay siya eh.
Interns, guys.
Interns.
Yes or no? Not yet?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Kasi yung naging intern namin last time, tatamad-tamad. So, medyo hindi na kami kumuha ulit.
Okay. Pangit yun eh, no?
Oo.
Binigyan mo ng pagkakataon, sinayang
Try pa
lang.
namin, lumipat pa ng mas malaking office para may more workstations.
How long have you been here in this beautiful office?
2 years na.
2 years.
You feel that it's medyo masikip na?
Sumikip na bigla eh. Biglang ang dami namin eh.
So, fourth na kayo? Fourth. Ganyan. Or Rockwell, ganyan.
Hindi na.
Naghahanap pa.
Great. Alright, so, meron tayong 5D na, meron tayong 5D na i-raffle. Alam ko, masyadong maraming praise to na talagang, wait lang ha, bigat eh. Dali.
May lens pa.
May lens na 24-105. Medyo luma nga lang siya, Mark II. No? Mark II lang siya. Kaya sana pagtsagaan niyo sila. Pero brand new to, unused. Ayan. So, actually, hindi ko alam kung 2 gig to eh. O 4 gig USB 1. No? Ang maganda dito is, kita. Yon. Ayan. Okay, I mean, may value din naman to guys because ang mga nabigyan nito, yung mga Canon ambassadors nung bagong sign up kami nila Dino, and at the same time for people who own the Mark II 5D Mark II, for the very first few people, no. So I'm gonna raffle this off because I haven't really opened this since I got it and I haven't really used it. Hindi ko lang alam kung meron mga torrent files to, no? Na fake taxi. Okay, okay, EOS 5D Mark II. Yan. Okay. Ano ba to? Ano ba tayo mamimigay? Okay, fake videographer. Okay, any other questions? Any other questions? Let's figure this out later. Yan. Pag raffle, biglang dami. Fake bridal card daw. Fake bridal card. Yan. There. Let's see. I guess, wala akong laptop. The last time, can anybody, magugulo lang yung Pinoy video maker eh.
Saan daw yung office nila?
Saan yung office?
Makati.
Oh, Makati office, Mayapis, malapit sa Bon Ban Mi.
Yun, one by.
One of the best Vietnamese sandwiches. Yan. Ayun. Open for hiring? No.
Paglipat pa ng office.
Okay. So how immediate are the plans for the for the change in
Dapat kasi
hassle lumipat?
Hassle lumipat.
Pero currently, naghahanap na kami.
Kasi yung last na nakuha namin, nag-back out. Dapat ngayong August kami lilipat.
Mhm.
Then, siguro, move na to September. Maghahanap pa kasi kami ng bago.
Same area?
Hopefully, same
Makati
area.
You guys live in the area?
We live in the building.
Oh, you live in the building?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
Yes.
As friends?
Yes.
Yes.
Wow!
Hiwa-hiwalay.
Okay.
Magkasama kami dito.
So, parang nobody lives with their parents anymore.
No.
That's something to be proud of. Guys. It's like one big house party every day.
Yes.
Okay. Amazing. Alright. Okay, wag na yun. PC, Mac,
Mac.
final editing computer. Mac, PC.
Mac.
Okay, Mac. So, 6 units. Studio tour! Hold it, Okay. Studio tour. Wait. Ano to? Wait lang. There. Malinis ba? Yung studio? Yeah. There. Okay. Okay, there you go. Okay, studio tour. Casting couch. Casting couch. Yan, okay.
Taxi.
Okay. Oh, there you go. Casting couch. Okay. I'm gonna turn around. We're gonna explore that later. Big ass television set where they play. What's the PS4?
PS4, PS3.
PS3.
Family computer.
Walang Xbox?
Wala.
Okay, what's on the family computer?
100 games.
100 games. May ano dyan?
Spoiled groom.
Okay. Merong Ninja Gaiden, Super Mario, Tetris. Okay. Si Baymax at si Kobe over there. Okay, there you go. Who collects the action figures?
Patrick.
Okay. Iron Man. You have a bunch of cameras over here. Okay. Lego battle tanks. Self-balancing scooter. Mamaya. Okay. Hold it. Oh, you have Lego here. Lego. Okay. This looks like a kid's plaything. You have the Segway over here. Lazada. Oh, walang handle.
Pinabibili sa akin.
Walang handle?
Sulit siya. 2 days.
Mahirap din.
60 kilometers. 20 kilometers per charge.
Yan ang maganda pag ano.
Okay, that's an accident waiting to happen, ah.
Pwede siya pang movie.
Oh, okay.
Yan po galing na demo. Diba?
Pwede bang isabay ito dun sa movie M5?
Pwede.
Hindi, you do it?
Hindi pa natin try, pero plan namin.
Okay.
Gusto ko ng ganyan.
Wow. Amazing. Same ng Casey Neistat. Oh, YouTube sensation, no? Okay, more. Wow, ang gaganda nyo dito. Ito ito yung mga staff. Ito yung mga editors ng Treehouse, no?
Wala, kakauwi lang nila sa akin.
Kailangan naka-tank top lahat ang mga nag-edit, no?
Yes.
Oo.
Wala pa ng booking edit.
Oh, look at that, no?
Hindi ko siya nakita. Dapat binaba ko na yun.
bunch of figures here.
Balance lang simula.
They won an Oscar.
Simula 10 years ago.
Okay. You know, in Periscope, one of the hottest channels in Periscope is "What's in my refrigerator." So let's open it up. Detachable. Gabi. Yung dadalaw na lang. Nakakasira pa. Okay. Mineral water. Okay. So medyo healthy naman. It's not as ratchet as natanggal talaga eh, no?
Wala, nasira mo.
Iced tea.
Sa mga bulok na karne.
Barrels. Chocolate. Dito yung ano, no? Yung mga padala ng mga kliyente.
Padala ng parents, di nakakain.
Okay. Pilitis. Is anybody doing overtime? Okay. So meron dito, no? Hindi naman nag-e-edit. But she's just watching. She's just watching. And it's on company time. And electricity, you know? Yan. So, there. Are you the doctor?
Yes.
Ayan. Okay. So, okay lang. Part owner din. Yeah. Okay. What are you watching?
Humans.
Humans. Okay. She looks like a doctor. Okay. Great. Okay. Silip tayo sa booking nila. August ba to? August? Linchak, oh. Kita nyo, daming August to, no? Hindi na mapopokus yan. Daming August, no? Daming August, no? May pupunta?
Oo.
May pupunta? Hindi ka ba hater? Pera-pera lang, eh, no? Pera lang, eh. Okay, so there. I'll figure out a way to, okay, the universe is made of stories, not atoms. That's the mantra. That's the mantra of our guests for tonight. And I'll see you in the forum or the Facebook, so to give away that USB key. So there. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. We're gonna stick a while, for a while. And,
Raffle.
okay. Eh, mamaya na. Isip na. Pero we're gonna hang out. Daw magsa-sign out kagad. Parang rude daw yun. Kasi nagko-comment pa sila eh. Yan. Pwedeng assistant ni Ma'am Honey. Yan.
Kailangan ba ng assistant?
Pwede.
Speakers daw sila. Oh, alright. PVM sessions.
PVM sessions.
You're coming. Who's coming?
Kami ni Patrick pupunta.
Okay.
So, kailan yun? August 20?
Yup. They'll be there.
August 20, yes.
Oh, that's gonna be amazing. That's gonna be amazing. Thank you, Treehouse.
Salamat din.
Pa-apply daw. May I have another beer, please?
Yes, sir. Bogart?
Pakis daw.
No.
Pakis daw. Pakis ka muna.
Treehouse is Emojicon. Sorry, it took a while. Okay lang. Yes.
Will you be there sa PBM session, Jason?
No, I'll be somewhere else. Sorry. Kasi yun naman, so ano kayo sa rent? Ano kayo?
Rent pa rin siya.
So then, magkasama kayo.
Ay, hindi. May sarili-sarili yung kwarto.
Kwarto!
Kwarto.
Oh, pero isang unit. Okay.
Studio.
What do you think?
Pizza or pasta? Both. Ano ba tayo ngayon?
pasta,
Ano
chicken.
Ano tawag dito?
Pasta.
Yellow cab.
Pasta,
Yellow cab.
chicken.
Wingman.
Wingman.
Ay, masarap yun. Wala ako sa sessions 4, sorry. Okay. Yung universe is made of stories, not atoms. Is that from a book? Is that from poetry? Is that from the mind, your minds?
From
Google.
Google. Next guest? Sino next guest? Wala pa eh. Next guest, I will broadcast live from Paris. Yan.
Ako Ako na yun. Usapan makeup.
Sino interior designer?
Para kami ni Patrick.
Okay, talagang may bromance talaga, no? Yan. Si Bob, pinipilit pa natin, ah.
Parang yung mga play, dati nagpa-show.
Merci. Yung sa Mayad episode, hindi ko pa na-upload. Pasensya na. Pasensya na. Si Sir Bob, i-message nyo, kulitin nyo, i-DM nyo para pumayag. Pupuntahan natin si Mr. Nicolas.
Jason, saan daw daan mo pa uwi? Abangan ka daw.
Sino yan?
Sabi. Kayo daw hindi no abangan daw kayo.
Bob, Leo, pakisabi naman kay kuya mo. Okay, magalala. Siyempre, nasa radar natin si Bob. Ano lang, tinatiming lang natin yan. Alam naman natin kung gaano kamahiyain yan eh. Relax lang kayo. Pag pinesyo niyan si Bob, mas hindi yan. Akong bahala sa inyo kay Bob. Kasama yung boxer sa USB. Oh, yung boxers.
Sir, Dino na lang, sir.
Honestly guys, no? Sino yung naniwala sa inyo na totoong camera yon? Parang okay lang kayo. Si Marvs, ako din bahala dyan.
Ambush interview.
Oh, wala na magagawa yun si Bob pag kumato kami sa ano niyan. Uy!
Bakit may nga ha?
No, Nice Print is more known for photography, not naman video.
Sige.
Sige. Si Jay. Oo, gusto natin siguro next time, no? I-schedule natin si Mr. Jack Consolacion, no? Yun, galing Nice Print yun. Galing Nice Print.
Sino bang mga suppliers din sa Europe? Mga periscope.
Sinong photographer ang gusto nyong ma-periscope? Sinong photographer din ang parating nakaharang sa shots nyo? Kayo, Pat, sinong photographer na nakaharang sa inyo? Sino nakaharang?
Mango Red, Dino Lara, Patti, Dino.
Friends namin lahat.
Friends nyo rin lahat. Kami na friends namin lahat. Kasi mabait tayo parate.
Patti. Dino dyan na lang na. Now na. Mango Red. Wala ba sa'yo sabi? Mango Red or Dino.
Harang si Chosen by Destiny. Nice.
Oh, si Johnny, oh.
Si Johnny Franco, taga Paris. Si Johnny?
Oh, si Johnny.
Johnny,
Johnny.
we will take you out to dinner. Mon ami, when we get there, we will take you out to dinner. You cannot say no. Because we're going there for vacation.
Hundreds pala.
Okay, that's a lot. It's a lot
Coordinator
talaga.
daw ang laging nakaharang.
Sorry.
May pirma na ba daw yung boxer?
Wala pa, ginagamit pa.
Boxers daw.
Joni, let's put you on Periscope if you don't have work. We'll interview. Paano ba isang maging videographer sa ibang bansa na kasing ganda ng Paris? Tapos, pero meron ka ibang trabaho eh. Alam natin, you work in a hotel, pero may sideline mo yung video. Let's look for the perspective na gano'n, di ba? Okay yun. Okay yun.
Ganda nung bahay namin sa
Si Lek, tayong bahala dyan.
Airbnb. Tsaka sa Paris, ang ganda ng bahay namin.
Nax Angel Luxin, aka Madge Lejano. Cheers from Bohol. Wow! Pans! Si Hamandre. Sige, yun rin natin yan. Naubuso na nga kami. Ito, naabala na kami. May pa-pizza na, may pa-beer pa. Oh. Gas-gas na yan.
Wala ka ba, sir, workshop sa Dubai?
Wala. Next time.
Ito, oh. May video ko ba dyan?
May mga sumasayaw pa.
Oo
May pole dancing.
May pole doon.
Jason, yan pinabibigyan ng mga bata.
Go,
Kaya
Carl.
din yun, yun? Parang delikado yun.
Hindi siya delikado.
Kakabili ko lang ng scooter.
Gusto ko parang may-try eh. Yun ang masarap pag mag-ikot ka sa Versailles. Ang laki nun eh.
Bawal yan.
Bawal kaya yun?
Ewan ko. Matanda lang.
Mas masaya mag-video. Nakakaaliw naman magbasa. Sir, kailan next workshop mo?
Ano na, 2 years pa.
Walang Davao. Atay sa wedding.
Kurbata at balat na sapatos. Chucks to yan. Oo, bumili na siya. Sabi ko, hindi ko maditingnan eh. Chucks to. Sobrang comfortable niya.
Nike technology na yun. So,
Pero lahat pa ng lumabas na Chucks to ngayon, fabric pa lang, canvas pa lang, o may leather na.
wala pa.
Fabric pa lang.
Counting colors pa lang. High cap low ka tayo. Ano bang nagbago dun sa yung loob? Yung
soul.
Mostly sa loob eh, kasi niretain nila yung icon na
Yeah, may Chucks to na si Pat. I want that.
Yung,
Mahigit 5,000 yan.
hindi, 3.9.
Oh, 3 na.
Comfy siya.
Sobra niya, no? May lunar lang, no?
Lunar Lon na yung pang ano, pang...
Nike na Roche, di ba? Mga,
May low cut. Low cut, high cut. Ano yung lahat? Ano yung lahat? Yun pa rin.
wala, waffle pa rin. Yung loob lang talaga.
Iba na yung slow. Ano si Pio?
Lunar Lon na. Sobrang ano, lambot. Hindi siya matigas.
Alright, bye guys.